The South Pacific Ocean contains a spacecraft cemetery. The farthest point on Earth from land is called Point Nemo. Nearest islands are more than 2,600 kilometers away. The South Pacific Ocean uninhabited area, a region in the southern Pacific Ocean, to the east of the geographic center of the water hemisphere, is where the spacecraft cemetery is located. It is home to more than 300 spacecraft, and related space debris, including the Mir space station. The first thing ever put together by Russian cosmonauts, in planetary orbit.